Welcome to the class once again, gentlemen. Today we shall talk about market research. This is more or less an interest lecture. It is not a lecture which you need for your immediate performance, but you must have some background about market research. Market research, because ultimately sooner or later you will also be contributing data to the marketing thing. So marketing research is basically gathering, recording and analysis of data about issues relating to marketing, products and services, and how the changing elements of marketing mix impacts customers' behavior. Very big words to use, but to simply put it, that market research means an organized effort to gather information about markets or customers. Market means what are the new products coming, what are the new trends in the product, how are the customers buying, are the customers buying more, are the customers buying less, what kind of customers are buying what should be the way the strategy can be made to serve the market and the customer. And market research is a key factor to get advantage over your competitors. The market research provides important information to identify and analyze the market needs and the market search. It also includes social and opinion research and systematically an interpretation of information about individual or organizations using this kind of a data and applied to the social sciences to get support in decision making. So through market information we can know the prices of different commodities in the market as well as supply and demand situation. Information about markets can be obtained from different sources, different varieties and different formats, as well as the sources and varieties that have to be obtained to make the business work. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is division of the market or the population into subgroups with similar motivations. The motivation of a senior citizen, motivation of a student, motivation of a college, motivation of an executive, motivation of the wife are entirely different. Though they may use the same product soap, but the motivation is different. So you have to study that and you have to find the differences which you should create in the products, maybe actual or psychological, and cater for the consumption. Market trends indicates whether there's a upward or downward of a market during the period of time. The market is different to estimate if one is starting with completely new. Besides information, you need to do a customer analysis and product research, advertising research. So this is the general aspects of marketing. Now, for product marketing, you need various information, that is pricing, what are the price it, distribution, how is the company distributing the product, how are they retailing the product, is it through small stores, through large stores, how are they managing the brand, how does they keep the managed brand in the eyes of eyes of the buying population. How have they segmented it? Have they segmented it gender-wise? Have they segmented it geographic-wise? Okay, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, one set of market. Tier 2 town, a second two market, second tier segmentation. Activation, how do they activate various policies? How do they activate various products into the market? What are the dominant marketing operations? How they are continuing those things? Then it can be promotion. How are they advertising? How are they branding the product? How are they marketing? Is it direct marketing through salespersons, or is the marketing through the wholesalers? What is the form they are taking of the marketing? What is the ratio of the salesperson sales? How have they placed the product in the market? It is little below the max reach or little above the max reach. Where if it is a little above the max reach, you require advertising for the consumer to pay that extra bit. Publicity, what type of publicity they are doing? What type of sales promotions they are doing? How much of sex they are using in advertising? Display of models, innuendos. Are they doing loyalty marketing, creating promotions? Are they doing marketing through mobiles? What are the premiums? What are the prices they are offering? So this is a marketing information which will help you to plan further. What are the promotional media they are using? Is it a print media? Is it a publications, that is the monthly publication? It is the broadcasting? It is the out-of-home advertising, which is a billboards? Is it internet? Is it point of sales? It is merchandise? Is it digital marketing through TV? Is it a in-game advertising on the games you have, like you market your IPL? Do come out with the product demonstrations, word of mouth, brand ambassador. You have Sunil Gavaskar, you have Sachin Tendulkar, you have Kapil Dev as this thing. Are they doing drip marketing? That is slowly and slowly. And how are they utilizing visual merchandising to create impulse buying? So all this information, to an extent marketing information, helps people to derive, plan for a better marketing. This I wanted to as an interest lecture so that you know what kind of data should you assimilate in mind, and sooner or later be able to help the people with this data and thought process. And naturally, if your thought process is well received, you are set to gain. You will set to gain a better mileage out of this thing. So keep trying, keep interpreting, keep listening. And don't forget to listen to video again at www.learn-through-web.com. Thank you.